guided meditation for stillness. In this busy world, it's sometimes easy to forget what it means to be still, to take a breath, pause, and not give in to our ever-growing to-do lists and full-on social lives. Hopefully this simple 10-minute session is just what you need to be still. Take a comfortable seat, close your eyes, and place your hands on your knees or gently in your lap. Start by focusing on your posture, sitting tall, letting your shoulders drop down away from your ears, and take a deep breath, the biggest breath you've taken all day, and exhale slowly, releasing anything that's not serving you today. Settle in to this moment of peace. From your feet, we're going to root ourselves into this moment in stillness. Feel the soles of your feet grounding down into the earth. Notice the contact between you and the floor. Let it hold you here in stillness. Feel heavy, supported by the earth. Notice how they feel. Let them ground you here in stillness. Notice your pelvis and sits bones rooting you to this spot. Let yourself feel heavy, sinking into your seat. Allow yourself to feel supported here in stillness. Focus on your hands and arms, resting in your lap by your sides, floating down, letting any tension ease out of you. Be present here in stillness. Your shoulders down away from your ears, reducing any rigidity, releasing any stresses. Ease into this moment here in stillness. Notice if worries melt away. Release any tension here in stillness. Notice how you're feeling after taking this time to pause and be still. You are loved, you are strong, and you are capable of stopping amidst the rush of life and being still. Thank you for sitting with us and enjoying this time for tranquility and calm. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We look forward to welcoming you back to the Soul Tribe soon.